friends, welcome to my storytelling world. I am Ranmay and I am here to take you on a magical adventure, fun, journey and exciting story. So get ready to listen, imagine and enjoy. Once upon a time, in a small forest, there lived a kind rabbit named Bella. She loved helping her friends. One day, Bella saw a little bird crying on a tree. "Why are you sad?" asked Bella. "I hurt my wings and can't fly," said the bird. Bella smiled and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." She brought the bird some food and water every day. Bella also made a small bed of soft grass for the bird to rest. After a few days, the bird winged hill. "Thank you, Bella," chirped the bird. "Happily, you are a true friend." The bird flew high in the sky and promised to visit Bella often. Bella felt happy knowing she made someone's life better. From that day, everyone in the forest knew Bella as the kindest rabbit of all. The moral of the story is always be kind and help others. Thank you for listening to my story today. If you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. See you in the